is that Clover?
Hi, Hannah. How you doing?
Oh, hello. How are you? I heard you wanted to speak to me.
Well, Pickles and Paws have asked me to make a bonfire video.
Right, okay.
I'm wondering if you can help me.
Oh, absolutely. What is it that we need to do?
Well, we just need to make sure that everybody knows that they must check their bonfires before they light them. Because me and my friends, we really like to sleep in the bottom of bonfires, and obviously that's a problem when people come to light them because, well, if we're hibernating, it takes us kind of 12 hours to wake up. So it's really important that people check their bonfires before they light them.
Okay, Clover. Well, when do you need to make this by?
Well, what are you doing this afternoon? I'm free this afternoon.
Let me think. I think I can do this afternoon.
Brilliant. Okay, well, I'm going to finish my breakfast, I might have a nap, and then I'll see you this afternoon.
Okay, great, Clover. I'll see you then.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.